Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to adjust your seat and steering wheel in a car. In this video, I'll be going over a very simple tutorial for a few different adjustments that you should make to be seated properly and comfortable in order to be a safe driver, comfortably in order to be a safe driver. Now let's get right to it, okay? First and foremost, I'm gonna mess up my whole steering situation right here. Just move the steering wheel up, move my seat around here like this. Just so I'm now starting fresh. My seat is completely in a bad position and my steering wheel is in a very bad position, an absolutely horrible position. So let's get right to the adjustment. First and foremost, you want to start off by adjusting your steering wheel. Now, in some cars, the steering wheel will only adjust up and down, and in other cars, it'll be able to adjust up and down and then back and forth. Now, you have to see what your car offers. In this car, I can only adjust it up and down. Now, there's a little lever under here. I'm going to pull the lever, and that loosens up the steering wheel, as you can see right here, okay? Now, what you're looking for is a clear view of the gauges, a clear view of the dashboard, and a clear view of the road in front of you, okay? So I can see that if I pull it too far down, I can't see the gauges, okay? So I'm going to raise it up. Right now, it is sort of hovering just around the gauges. I can see all of the gauges. I can see all of the dashboard. I can see the road in front of me. And it looks like it would be at a comfortable position for my arm. Okay, as you can see, it's just slightly lower than my shoulder right here. And where I would hold the steering wheel would be around here, which is sort of at my chest area height. Now I'm going to lock the steering wheel into position right there. The next thing that you want to adjust is your seat. Now, in some cars, you'll have many different adjustments that you can make on your seat. In this car, I am going to be focusing on two main adjustments, and then there's also a slight third adjustment that you can make. So I'm going to keep it very basic and simple. That means that these adjustments can be made on the majority of cars, because the majority of cars will offer seat adjustments that I'm talking about. First, you want to adjust the seat with regards to its distance from the pedals. Now, what you want to do is you want to take your right foot over here and you want to press the brake fully down, okay? Now, when you press the brake fully down, first and foremost, you should be able to press the brake down completely. And secondly, it should feel comfortable for your leg to be in that position for a long time. I can press the brake down completely, but I'm way too close because my knee is still like at a really severe angle. So I'm going to take the seat, I'm going to start moving it backwards. And my foot is still pressed down on the brake fully. I'm going to keep moving it backwards until it feels very comfortable, okay? So I'm pressing down on the brake fully right here. I can go a little bit further back. Okay, I'm pressing down fully on the brake just like this, and it is a comfortable position right here. My leg is just slightly on an angle. It's comfortable for me to be in this position. Now I'm going to test out the gas pedal. I want to press the gas pedal fully down just for a moment to make sure that I can actually reach the back end of the gas pedal range, okay? I can definitely reach the back end of the gas pedal range. And if you're driving a manual car, what you want to do is you want to press the clutch down fully and hold it there with your left foot and make sure that it's comfortable holding it in that position. So now, once you've adjusted your seat with regards to the distance from the pedals, you want to adjust the back of the seat. Now, as you can see right here, I've placed the back of the seat really far back on purpose so that I can show you the adjustment. Now, I'm going to move the back of the seat a little bit closer just to start off, and then I'll tell you what you're looking for. So what you want, number one, is a comfortable seating position. So if I sit down like this, I can feel that it is definitely comfortable. My head can go back like this. It can go forward. It's actually very, very comfortable on this angle. I'm not perfectly at a 90-degree angle, especially because my head would be hitting the sun visor, and I'm not too far back. It's just a slight angle, as you can see here in this video. Now you want to test out your distance from the steering wheel, okay? And that's how you can make some fine-tuning adjustments, and then I'll show you one other seat adjustment that you can make. You want to grab the steering wheel where you would regularly grab it. I'm going to grab my steering wheel at just a little bit between 10 and 2 and 9 and 3. I like to grab it right over here. I'm going to hold my arms here. I'm going to see if, number one, I can still see everything on the dashboard and the road ahead that I wanted to see. And I'm also going to check out if it feels comfortable. So I can hold my arms here. As you can see, I have a slight angle right over here, and it's allowing me to feel comfortable. You don't want to be in this position because you're limiting your range of motion when you're turning, but you don't want to be really close too because that's going to get uncomfortable and you're too close for being able to maneuver the steering wheel. You want to be somewhere between too far back and too close. You want a nice angle. Anywhere within here is probably okay. And when you realize that you're comfortable just holding the steering wheel, you want to then turn the steering wheel to make sure that you can get a full range of motion. So I'm going to turn the steering wheel, making sure that I'm comfortable, turning both ways just like that. No problem. I can maneuver everything left and right perfectly fine. Okay, now I'm going to practice just steering left and right like this. It's very comfortable. I have a good range of motion if I need it. You just want to make sure that you're going to sort of mock up a driving situation, turning right and turning left, okay? You know, swerving right, swerving left, making sure that you feel comfortable. And if you feel comfortable and you can do that, you know, for presumably an hour or 2 hours without, you know, getting any cramps, then you're in a good position. Now, the final adjustment that is offered on this car, on this car seat, and also most car seats, is to just raise or lower the seat ever so slightly. So there's actually a little bit of like a pump on this side of the seat. And if I pull it up continually, it's gonna raise the seat. So as you can see right here, it's raising the seat. You can just look at that back end right here. You can see it's raising the seat up, right? And then I can pump it back down. Now what that, in my opinion, is used for is adjusting the angle slightly, because it's raising it up, but it's also slightly changing the angle according to what I feel, at least. And also, you want to make sure that if you want to get just slightly higher, like half an inch higher or half an inch lower, or an inch higher or an inch lower, you can use that to make any adjustments. Instead of totally adjusting your steering wheel, you can use the pump on the seat to raise or lower it. And like I said, in some cars, you'll have the option of electronic adjustments. In other cars, you'll have lumbar support. You'll have, you know, you can adjust so many different things in some cars. But in this car, it offers basically 2 basic adjustments along with a third minor adjustment and just a basic movement of the steering wheel. So I've been able to show you the most basic adjustments that you can use to sort of get your seating position right with regards to how to adjust the steering wheel and the seat. And that's basically it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video tutorial. I tried to keep it basic while still explaining everything that I possibly could about adjusting your steering wheel and your seat in order to get comfortable and be a safe driver. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. What are your tips for adjusting your seat and your steering wheel? And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.